everyone! So I chose to do a curry recipe that I'm going to actually post the original recipe in the links below. I modified it a little bit, as you'll see, but not a whole lot. And it has turned out fabulously. I'm loving all of these crock pot recipes because they're just so easy. So I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I would love to hear your feedback below. So here's the finished product. The color is not so great. I think that's large in part because I left it longer than I should have. I put this on at 8 in the morning. I wasn't able to shut it off until 4 in the afternoon. And it stayed in the crock pot until like 8 o'clock. And it's supposed to be a 4-hour recipe, but it tastes delicious and the flavors are awesome. So if you don't mind some slight discoloration there, you're good. So we've got some organic basmati rice, our dish there, and then I just fried up some tofu with some coconut curry sauce that I had, and it's delicious. So this is what it looks like in the crock pot. So it does look a little bit dark, but if you didn't leave it as long as I did, it would have looked a whole lot nicer. But it's just so easy. It took me like, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes to chop up all the vegetables, and just it's good for me to know that I can leave it in there all day if I need to, and I can do it as early as, 8 or 7 or 8 in the morning. So I hope that was helpful and that somebody liked this dish. It's awesome because it caters to all of Jax's allergies, and I am definitely going to be making this next week again.